What if building an affiliate website didn't start with weeks of website setup, writing, and technical work? There's an interesting online business model hiding behind that question. Building niche review websites that help people make buying decisions. Think about what happens before someone buys a product online. They search for reviews. They compare alternatives. They look at pros and cons. They want to know whether something is actually worth buying. That creates an opportunity for an affiliate website. You could create useful review and comparison content around a specific niche, attract people who are researching products, and place affiliate links where appropriate. If a reader clicks your link and eventually purchases through the affiliate program, you could potentially earn a commission. The model itself isn't particularly complicated. The difficult part is building enough useful content and getting the website running in the first place. Traditionally, that means dealing with website design, writing reviews, creating comparison pages, formatting content, and keeping everything organized. For someone starting alone, that's a lot of separate work. AI changes the equation because some of those tasks can be assisted or automated. And that makes the idea of building an affiliate review site more accessible to someone who doesn't want to become a full-time writer or web designer. While researching tools built around this opportunity, I came across AffiliBank OS. It's designed specifically around creating affiliate review websites and generating the content that goes inside them. According to its official material, AffiliBank OS can create a review niche website and generate single product or comparison reviews containing elements like pros, cons, ratings, and verdicts. It also provides starter content for new sites. That means the tool is aimed at reducing some of the work between having an affiliate idea and having an actual review site ready to publish. The important part is that the software doesn't guarantee traffic or income. It simply makes this particular business model easier to explore. If you want to see what the tool can do, you'll find more information below. Link in the description.